Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Accord engine air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a new engine air filter and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver, though many models only require unlatching clips. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency, and it's something you can easily do yourself in about 10 minutes. Let's get started. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. Most Honda Accord models have 2 to 4 metal clips around the housing that you simply unlatch. If there are any screws, use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the clips or screws are undone, gently lift the top half of the housing. You'll see the old, often dirty, engine air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it sits. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old engine air filter. You'll likely notice how much dirt and debris it has collected, which is why regular replacement is so important. Now, take your new, clean air filter and place it into the housing. Make sure it's seated correctly and fits snugly, just like the old one was. A proper fit ensures that all air entering your engine is filtered, protecting it from harmful particles. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back down. Ensure it aligns perfectly with the bottom half. Refasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure the housing is completely sealed. This prevents unfiltered air from bypassing the filter. You've successfully changed your engine air filter. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Regular maintenance like this keeps your Honda Accord running smoothly for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.